Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create my Weather Hero card for Home Assistant. It shows the current temperature nice and big, the humidity, the UV index, wind and rain. And the best part, a beautiful animated background that always matches the current weather, at day and at night. Here it is on my Material Clean dashboard. And this card is completely free. You can download the full code with the link in the description. Before we start, make sure you have Button Card installed. You'll find it in Hacks, just search for Button Card, hit download and reload your browser. The whole Weather Hero is built with it. Okay, let's start. On your dashboard, click Add Card and choose Manual. Again, we use a custom button card with my setup template as the base. You'll find it in the pack. As the entity, we use our weather entity. Check the README if you are not sure which one you have. Then a color variable with a little bit of JavaScript. When the sun is above the horizon, the text on the card is black, and at night it switches to white, so it always stays readable on the background. Next, the name of the card, for me that is Berlin. And this time we show everything: the icon, the name, the state and the label. And the label is the star of the card, the current temperature, pulled straight from the weather entity together with its unit. Now let's style the card. In the grid template areas, we define the layout. The name and the icon at the top, the state right below, then the big temperature, a flexible spacer, and the details at the bottom. The card itself gets a padding of 20, is 300 pixels high, and has our round corners of 30. The icon, the name, and the state all use our day and night color and stay small and clean. The temperature is where it gets fun. 80 pixels, font weight 100, really big and thin, with a tight letter spacing. That is the signature look of this card. And the background field spans the whole card. Position absolute, inset 0, behind everything else, and slightly transparent. And now comes the magic, the animated background. This is a small web component with handmade SVG weather animations. A huge thanks to Coasting24 from our community Discord, who created these backgrounds and shared them with all of us. The component reads the weather condition, sun, clouds, rain, picks the matching animation and even switches to a night version after sunset. To make this work, you need two files from the pack, the weather background script and the cloud image. Copy both into the www folder of your Home Assistant and add the JavaScript file as a dashboard resource. The README shows you exactly how, it only takes a minute. Below that, the details bar. A nested button card with 4 small fields on a translucent strip. The first one shows the humidity, straight from the weather entity. The second one takes the UV index and translates it into low, medium or high. Much nicer to read than a raw number. And wind and rain follow the same pattern. The value on top and a small name below. And that's it. We hit save and our Weather Hero is done. And there it is. Our Weather Hero with the animated background and all the details done and fully functional. If your card looks a little different than mine, remember, the background follows your real weather, so on a rainy day, you get rain. Once more, a big thank you to Coasting24 for the beautiful backgrounds. And the best part, this card is completely free. Just head to my shop with the link in the description and type in 0. Or leave a small tip if you want to support my work. You get the card, the theme, both background files and a step-by-step README. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration for your own dashboard. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. I create more custom cards like this one, show off cool hacks cards, and there is a full tour of my Material Clean dashboard as well. As I said, the Weather Hero is completely free. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.